I'm Nick Milford. I run the MR2 Drivers Club, mostly UK-based club. We do a lot of events. We go to over 100 shows a year. It's a pretty low membership fee. It's only £15 for 2025. Our main show of the year, which if you like your MR2s is the one to be at, is our National Day, which is taking place on Sunday the 1st of June. That's at Hatton Country World near Warwick. The last couple of years we've had between 500 and 600 MR2s there on the day. We get some Celicas and Supras come along to help us, and the GT86 Club. We're trying to get the IQ Club along this year, Toyota Enthusiast Club, and Toyota GB usually support that event for us. So if you've got an MR2, you don't need to be a member of our club. You can come along to that event and see what we're all about. Meet a lot of other enthusiasts. Well, last year reps from the US club and the Australian club flew in, so we had 4 come over from Texas and 4 come over from Australia just for that show. They didn't bring their cars, they couldn't get them in the luggage. We had 2 guys drove down from Denmark. They've been a couple of times. One came up from Spain, we had a couple from the Netherlands, we've had Germany. You can join the club at that show, or you can join on our website. And for a pretty low membership fee, you'll get all of our expertise, all of our help in arranging events, people you can ring up when you've got a problem with your MR2, even people who'll go along with you to have a look at one if you're thinking of buying one. So you can join the club on the website and find lots of our details there. It's www.mr2dc.com, and that has an up-to-date list of all of the events that we're attending nationally. You can list those by region, so you can just look for your local ones. We've got photos and videos from all of the shows that we've been to, so you can see what's been going on recently. We've got a section on there with discounts for club members. You can buy some excellent rugby shirts, and that's where you'll find our contact details as well.